Here is a question for today. Who on the project needs data management and analytics skills? And how important it is to have a strong data acumen for a business analyst. If you watched my other videos, you've heard me talking about the importance of understanding data types, sources of data, data lifecycle for a business analyst. Sometimes this is disputed. Someone will say, well, data skills are needed for data migration projects and data warehousing projects, but we are just implementing a new workflow application. Or when a business analyst wants to take a data or analytics related training, their manager might say, why do you need it? You're just writing user stories. That's a very short-sighted approach. For organizations that don't see the value of data management skills in their employees are really setting themselves up for major data issues. So to support business analysts and other professionals who need to strengthen their data analysis and analytics skills and techniques, I've created a video course called Data Management and Analytics Fundamentals. This course is not only for business analysts, it is for project managers, subject matter experts, and leaders, everyone who is involved in influences enterprise change. All of these stakeholders need to understand the importance of the data focus on enterprise projects. They need to allocate sufficient time and resources for analysis of data sources, for data scrubbing, preparation. Someone needs to think of data quality and how to improve it at every stage, from data acquisition to integration to master data management and to sharing business intelligence outputs with stakeholders. So everyone has a role to play in effective data governance. And projects team must take it seriously because a data challenge can bring the whole project crashing down. So how can we help everyone involved and what's in the course? In the course, you will learn about types of data, sources of data, data governance, data analytics requirements, and about mitigating data challenges on the projects. And you will be given specific skills and techniques that you have to use. The course includes not only explanations, but templates and exercises to teach you to create a data dictionary, data models, data mapping, scenario matrices, and even analytics requirements. To give you a better idea about how this course is constructed and presented, I've made several lessons free. You can get to the course by navigating to courses.why-change.com. And to make it even easier for you, I'm attaching one of the short preview episodes right here in this video. Listen and watch this segment. And that part addresses two main things. One, what types of projects have a significant data component with some explanations to give you an idea where we need to apply those data management and analytics skills. And second, how business analysts use their data management and analytics skills on these projects. If you're interested in taking the course, check the course description. I've posted a course discount there for all of my YouTube viewers. And now, here is the free course segment for you. To continue, I want to just reinforce one more time. Our goal is to prepare you for playing a key role in enterprise projects, business transformation, and analytics initiatives. So regardless of your role, if you have to participate in a project that has a data component, you're going to learn something important. Okay? So now, let us talk about what projects we mean, what projects we're talking about, what are those projects with significant data component, because then every time you get involved, you have to keep in mind that we need data requirements, we need analytics requirements, we need to check with data governance procedures, we need to have a data dictionary, so you will be thinking about those main deliverables of data management. And it will be easier for you to flag which of those deliverables are important for the success of the project. So let's list some of those projects, and you can refer to this checklist later on. So first of all, any new enterprise system. And by that, I mean a software application, IT system, IT application. Anytime an enterprise develops a new system, of course, that system is going to have its own data model, its own probably database. These systems operate with data, they store data, they process data, they allow users to retrieve data, and they use that to support processes and flows that the system is meant to support. The next one is any type of COTS implementation. So any off-the-shelf product, such as Salesforce, Workday, ADP, etc. Whenever you implement those products, you probably will be migrating some of the data from your older system to this new system. So you're going to have old data model, new data model, data migration. You'll need data mapping. You'll need different data transformations, because of course, whenever you migrate data from one place to another, there will be discrepancies, there will be differences that need to be handled. Digital transformation. So anything major where a company is either digitizing existing process that was manual, or working on implementing those new solutions that will help you to be more efficient with using technology, with using digitizing the processes and the data and the product itself. Sometimes you will need a lot of data focused requirements. Integration of standalone applications. So many older companies will have this, one standalone system, another standalone system, and another. And of course, lack of integration usually creates those challenges. It results in manual integrations. We download files, we upload files, we use Excel, and so on. So any project that is required to integrate these systems, again, will require to look at what's the data we have in one system, what's the data we have in another system, which data needs to move to get integrated, to be received from one system into another, what transformation need to be done, is the meaning of the data changes, how do we interpret it, what are the data quality issues and challenges, and again, we go back to those data management requirements. Data migration, retention, deletion, again, anything to do with different stages of data life cycle, of course, need respective requirements. Launching a data governance program, and we will talk more about what's the role of, say, business analysts in data governance. Process improvement automation with embedded analytics. So this is huge, and this is developing really fast, where you would want to use analytics real time, just in time in your business process to either automate a specific step of the process or provide some decision support or decision augmentation to your human operators. So provide them with those analytics insights at that moment to help them, say, process a case or process a service request or approve or decline a loan, and so on. And of course, those real-time, just-in-time analytics are all based on analytical solutions and therefore require you to understand, again, the data sources and the analytics requirements, and they will cover it in the course. Business intelligence initiatives. These are the initiatives where the goal of that is to deliver business intelligence or analytics solution. So for sure, machine learning and AI solutions, chatbots, decision automation, predictive modeling, you name it, of course. And finally, data products. If your company is actually selling data products, marketing data products, or analytical components are embedded in your product, of course, if you want your product to be successful, if you want customers to like and love your product and refer it, then you need to make sure it's a good product. So this is the quick list of various initiatives where you are going to use what you're learning in this course. And as a summary, and this summary is for business analysts and again for anyone else who may be involved in business analysis process and activities. So how do we need to use data management and analytics skills? First of all, we need to use data analysis techniques to analyze the business problem, to understand the root cause. Before we solve the problem, we need to truly understand what that problem is. Well, data analysis can help us to do that. Second, data governance reinforcement. So none of these projects are possible without good quality data, and data governance, the purpose of data governance is to establish rules and processes that establish sharing and consistency and having quality data in an enterprise. solid data management requirements for any project that deals with data, which really means any project. And finally, for analytics and AI projects, we need smart requirements. We need good quality requirements, because without those requirements, any project will fail and analytics projects will fail the same. So that's what we will be tackling in the rest of the course. And then let's move on to the next lesson.